this video, we are going to try with HoloLens 2 the hands menu example from Mixed Reality Toolkit Hub. First of all, you have to, of course, read what is written there as an instruction. It explains in detail basically how it works. And if you go to GitHub, if you are a software developer, you can download this software library and use these examples as a starting point to develop your own applications. So it explains over here, to bring up the hand menu, raise your hand and look at your flat palm, like this. And as you can see, some buttons will appear here. So if you're developing software applications, you can basically detect the hand, and you can associate some buttons here with the interaction that you want to have. So as you can see here, small, show and hide the hand, medium, large, large. And you can also use voice command. Let's try. Show hand menu. Over here. Sometimes it doesn't detect the accent. In my case it did, surprisingly enough, because I do have an accent. But it works. It just takes a while, and yeah. Then what? Then for selecting, you can say select, but as far as I remember with the HoloLens one, you will have to gaze on it. We can try hide, okay. Hide hand menu. So as you can see, it detected your voice. This is called speech recognition. It detected the keywords that you were saying, in this case, hide hand menu and show hand menu, and it triggered an action.